Have you ever noticed small glass bottles with a dropper containing dark colored liquid? That might be a tincture. But wait, what exactly is a tincture? A tincture is a liquid solution made by dissolving a substance, usually a medicinal plant or a chemical, in alcohol or a mixture of alcohol and water. Tinctures are commonly used in medicine, herbal treatments, and even chemistry. The alcohol helps extract active compounds from herbs and preserves them for a long time. For example, iodine tincture is used as an antiseptic to clean wounds, and belladonna tincture has been used in medicine to relieve pain. Tinctures are easy to use, have a long shelf life, and are absorbed quickly by the body. So the next time you see one, you'll know exactly what it is. Subscribe to Erudition India for more fun while learning.